It's the night before your exam. You've been studying for 6 hours straight. Coffee number 3, eyes burning, pages everywhere. And you think, this is what it takes. This is what hard work looks like. But here's the brutal truth nobody tells you. A landmark study by Hermann Ebbinghaus, the scientist who literally invented the science of memory, found that within 24 hours of learning something new, the average person forgets up to 70% of it. 70% gone overnight. So that 6-hour cram session, by the time you sit down for that exam, most of it has already left your brain. But here's what's wild. Some students remember almost everything. Same material, same exam, completely different result. And it's not because they're smarter, it's because they figured out when to study, not just how. That secret is called spaced repetition, and by the end of this video, you'll have the exact schedule that rewires how your brain stores information permanently. Stay with me because this one genuinely changes everything. Why your brain treats cramming like trash. Think about your memory like a muscle. If you go to the gym and lift weights for 6 hours straight in one day, you don't get 6 days worth of results. You get injured, exhausted, and probably can't move the next morning. Your brain works exactly the same way. Cramming dumps everything into your short-term memory at once, and short-term memory has one job: hold information just long enough to use it, then clear the space. That's why you can recite every answer the night before and blank out completely 2 days later. Your brain didn't fail you, you just stored information in the wrong place. Here's what spaced repetition does differently. Instead of one long, painful session, you review the same material across multiple shorter sessions spread over days and weeks. And every single time you come back to it, right when your brain is just starting to forget, the memory gets rescued, reinforced, and stored deeper. Each review tells your brain, this information keeps coming back, it must be important. Keep it, and your brain listens. So what does this actually look like in real life? Here's the schedule. Simple, no apps required. Day 1, learn the material. Study it properly. Active recall, not just rereading. Day 3, review it again. 20 minutes maximum. Day 7, review once more. You'll be surprised how much comes back. Day 21, final review. By now, it's locked in long-term memory. That's 4 sessions, probably under 2 hours total across 3 weeks. Compare that to one panicked 6-hour cram session the night before, with 70% gone by morning. And the science backs this completely. A 2008 study by Sepeda and colleagues, published in Psychological Science, found that spacing study sessions over time produced significantly better long-term retention than massed practice. And the longer you need to remember something, the wider the gaps should be. The mistake is reviewing everything equally. Most students sit down on day 3 and reread the entire chapter again. All of it, even the stuff they already know perfectly. That's wasted time, and it makes the whole system feel exhausting. Here's what actually works. On every review session, only study what you got wrong. Test yourself first. Whatever you remember, skip it. Whatever you blank on, that's your entire focus for that session. This is exactly how the app Anki works. It automatically pushes forgotten cards to the front and buries the ones you know. You're not reviewing a chapter, you're reviewing your own weak spots. As cognitive psychologist Robert Bjork puts it, the most effective learning happens when we focus our effort on the very edge of what we know. That edge, that uncomfortable, almost remembering feeling, is exactly where your brain grows. Stop reviewing what's comfortable, attack what's difficult. So here's your plans starting today. That's the whole system. No apps needed, no 6-hour sessions, no burnout. Just your brain finally storing things the way it was actually designed to do. Drop in the comments which subject are you trying this on first, and if this gave you something real, like, subscribe, and send it to one friend still pulling all-nighters thinking that's what studying means.